Hey everyone, I'm Rithik from UPDF. In today's video, we're fixing a big problem for manga fans. You can now download manga PDFs and read and manage them in the best way with UPDF. And at the end, I'll also show you how to turn your own story into manga from scratch using IvyCraft with a quick preview of what it can create. So click the link in the description below and follow me step by step as we download, read, and create manga together. First, let's look at 3 trusted websites that actually give you working manga PDF files without problems. Follow along on screen and you can pause anytime while I show you where to search, open, and download manga. The first site on our list is archive.org, where you can download manga PDFs for free. First, open the site and search for the manga title you want to download. Then, open the manga page and click the download icon with the PDF option. You can do all of this without dealing with annoying pop-ups or random redirect buttons. The second one on our list is Anna's Archive, with a huge manga selection from many different libraries. Open the main site and search manga PDF with the title, then hit enter. Next, open the manga page and choose a download option from fast and slow downloads. Note that the slow downloads are free, yet you have to pay for fast downloads. The last option, Scribd, is known for its clean UI and high-quality files. To download manga PDF, search for a title and click the download icon. To continue for free, it sometimes asks you to upload docs to download. You can also try it for free with a free 30-day trial. Once you have downloaded your manga PDF from a reliable source mentioned above, you might be wondering how you can read it. UPDF is one of my recommended options, and it's more than just a simple PDF viewer. Let me show you how to download UPDF and start using it with your manga PDFs. First, open Chrome or another browser and search for UPDF. From the results, click the site link, Download UPDF, to open the UPDF download page. Next, press the Free Download option under the Mac or Windows section to download the latest UPDF desktop version. It doesn't need any updates until the next release. After UPDF is downloaded and installed, press the plus icon and use the Open File option to import the manga PDF. Once the PDF opens, view it in the multiple reading layouts. To explore reading mode, click the Document Properties icon at the bottom and switch between the single page and double page modes. Next, turn on the Enable Scrolling mode to move through pages without stopping. To view the PDF in slideshow reading mode, click the slideshow option. Next, choose the Play from Start or Play from Current Slide option to start reading in slideshow view. For eye protection and a better viewing experience, access Settings and choose from Light, Dark, and other viewing modes. My preferred choice is the dark mode, where the interface dims and the manga pages stand out. If you downloaded a PDF in a non-native language, UPDF AI lets you translate it into all languages. You just need to click the UPDF AI icon in the top right corner and choose the Chat option. After that, use the Screenshot tool to capture the area containing the foreign language text. Then, ask the chat to translate that into your native language. If you want to jot down reactions while you read, simply insert a blank page as a notes page by accessing the Organize Pages tool and clicking the plus icon. Once inserted, choose the Background tool from the Tools panel and click the AI Background option. Next, type a prompt like Cherry Blossom Manga Style and click the Generate button. After that, click the Add icon on one of the 3 options. Then, choose the size and page range for the background placement and press the Done button. After customizing the PDF, you can print PDF pages if you prefer. Just access the print settings, select the page size and orientation, then click the Print button to print the manga PDF. Once everything is done, save the edited PDF to a location you can access from any other device. To do it, you need to expand the Save options and choose the Save to UPDF Cloud option. Now you can access this PDF anywhere with just your UPDF credentials. After reading manga PDFs in UPDF, It gets even better when you start creating your own stories. IvyCraft is an AI-powered tool that helps you turn simple ideas and characters into manga-style pages. You just upload a short story and a few character images, then add a clear prompt about the style. Here, I tried a quick test with IvyCraft and it generated manga-style scenes that look ready for a comic page. First, head to ivycraft.ai/app and drag and drop the reference character photos or press the Upload and Paste Image option. For further customization, adjust the style, quality, and ratio. Next, you need to upload the story materials, for example, a text file, by clicking the Upload File button. Then enter the prompt, create a black and white manga page from my story and character images. Keep characters matching the references, show the school roof at night with a glowing blue lantern and a white fox spirit in multiple panels using a simple, classic manga style. After that, choose the AI model from General and Image Generation or simply enable the Auto section. Once that's done, click the Send button to start right away. It will take some time to create. Now, change your prompt so it clearly asks for multiple panels on one page. So enter a prompt like, create a manga page with 4 to 6 panels showing different moments from the scene. It will generate a single page divided into several comic panels rather than just one big illustration. That wraps up our complete guide to downloading, reading, and creating manga PDFs in one smooth workflow. With trusted sites for downloading and UPDF for comfortable reading and organization, your manga PDFs stay easy to manage. Meanwhile, IvyCraft turns your own stories into manga-style pages to create manga in a smarter way. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. See you in the next video!